Ukraine has just unveiled a potential game-changer in modern warfare, a laser weapon. This isn't just any weapon. It's based on a prototype from the United Kingdom, showcasing international collaboration in defense technology. The weapon, known as Tryzub or Trident, is a significant leap forward in countering low-altitude threats. While traditional aircraft flying at higher altitudes remain out of reach, this laser is tailored to neutralize the swarms of low-flying drones that have become a staple in the Ukrainian conflict. Drones like the Iranian Shahed, used by Russian forces, are particularly vulnerable to this new technology. What makes this weapon stand out is its cost-effectiveness. Instead of expending costly missiles, the Tryzub can defend against these drones for less than $1 per shot. This efficiency could dramatically alter the economic landscape of warfare, where cheap drones can now be countered by even cheaper defense mechanisms. The British prototype, known as DragonFire, was initially designed to tackle missiles. However, Ukraine has adapted this technology for their urgent needs, demonstrating how war can accelerate innovation. The precision of this system is remarkable, capable of hitting a coin from over a kilometer away, according to its developers. While the laser's current range is limited to about 2 kilometers, efforts are underway to enhance its capabilities, potentially extending its reach or increasing its power for more significant threats. This development is not just about shooting down drones. It's about setting a new standard for air defense in an era dominated by unmanned aerial vehicles. Ukraine's use of this laser weapon marks a pivotal moment where low-cost, high-impact technology could redefine military strategy, focusing on efficiency and sustainability in combat. This is a clear signal that the future of warfare might just be less about brute force and more about smart, targeted responses to emerging threats.